All right, so we're going to talk about dilations, which dilations aren't as bad as everyone thinks they are. The worst one is the last one. I saved that one for last. Not going to lie, that one is awful. So, dilations are a transformation when something gets bigger, it stretches, or it shrinks, it gets smaller, with respect to a fixed point called the center of dilation. For this, I am not giving you any special center of dilation. I don't think that you guys need to learn that for the iLearn. It's not something that I've ever seen on a standardized test for your age group. So just have this in your vocabulary, but realize that we're not going to do anything difficult with this. So these are going to be similar images. We finally moved away from congruence. So the angles stay the same. Otherwise, it wouldn't be similar. But the corresponding sides are proportional, meaning that they go by the same unit rate. They go by the same rate. They're proportionate, but they're not the same measurement. So I'm going to write my pre-image coordinates below. So I have my coordinates here. It's already laid out for you. What you're going to do is, for this, you're just multiplying whatever number is in front of your x or your y. So if I were to double 0, psych, that's still 0. If I were to double 0, like I said, it's 0. So I'm just going to go through and do it all. Whereas if I were to double 5, it's 10. 10. Let's draw it out. And that's what it looks like. So because I multiplied by 2, I'm just going to say that the image doubled. Or I could say it stretched by 2. Ooh-wee. That handwriting, top notch. All right, so then, once again, when you multiply anything by 0, it's going to be 0, so I'm just going to fill that in. And then you go by half. So I have half of 5. It's going to be, oh Lord, I drew that too big. 2.5. Once again, it's going to be 2.5. Oh, that one's more appropriate. And then I'm going to draw it. And I drew it out, and I shaded it in because it was a bit hard to see with all that pink going on. I forgot to make this all blue. So I could say the image was halved. I could say the image is half of the pre-image. I can say the image shrunk by 1/2 or 50%. There's a lot of ways I can word it. I'm going to say shrunk by 1/2. And then we have one more of these to go.